What's going on, YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living day trading cryptocurrencies with some serious efficiency. If you guys want to learn how to trade like a professional, head right over to the student program and get signed up. Links are below. And for those of you who want the little additive edge, you've got to follow me on my socials. I literally change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can help you guys nip some extra profits along the way. And guys, today I wanted to talk about Electroneum, Bitcoin, and Mana, some amazing projects which have had some amazing movements over the last several weeks. And I want to tell you guys about the patterns that I found in the price action today, which could yield you guys some amazing profits. So if you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so let's just start out with Bitcoin. This is exactly what I've been looking at over the last few days here. Now let me just show you what we're working with here. So as we pumped out of this pattern back here, we had a brief moment of overbought territory right into an ascending triangle, which also turned into an M formation. Okay. Now what's really interesting about this is it could also be classified as a double top because of the bigger time frames, guys. So that's why I have it labeled just like that. Notice the clear point of support and then a nice little breakout right down of it, and you actually touched all the way back down to the support, which is really cool, guys. Doesn't get any cleaner than that, and that's even why I had an alert set there. Just amazing times. Right into a descending wedge right here, descending tightening wedge, right into an ascending wedge. Now guys, it looks like we are getting the breakout of this pattern right now. Notice the stotch being, it's unloading as we speak. Okay, so we go down to the 1 hour even, stotch is loaded up, so we might get a little bounce right here. For instance, this could end up getting tweaked just a little bit. You know, let's see how this actually plays out here when we get back up in this pattern. But watch for the flipping of the EMAs. Watch the stotch to start to unload and touch back into green zone, and then the volume spike, which will come probably right around here, guys. Okay, Bitcoin is on the verge of some much higher times. Make sure your bags are packed and accumulating in these retracements, guys. And if you're not sure how to accumulate, turn on your estimated moving averages and play the 55 and the 100 simply. Those are excellent buying opportunities, which could yield you guys some amazing profits in these all-time high pumps. Okay, we are in uncharted waters. Okay, so we have to actually play the estimated moving averages in combination with volume and other indication plays to really see where the price is moving in the immediate. Okay, and when you're looking for the places of overbought and oversold territory, remember the bands. Could have made dip buys in any of these oversold moments, and guys, that's when you want to be getting in the market, even just for holding coin. Okay, so make that a reality, and Bitcoin is on the verge of some much higher times, guys. Just remember, zoom out, probably move right a little bit, and then pump up, and guys, before you know it, 70,000 will be broken. Make sure your bags are packed for that. All right, guys, let's talk about Electroneum. Definitely the most popular coin on my page, and for many reasons why. And guys, we are getting the breakout of that pattern right now, which is forming a nice little chain right here. So for instance, we're getting something just like this, a new pattern developing right before our eyes right here. Now this does look like a descending tightening wedge right here. Remember, even if they actually touch up together, it's not a triangle. That needs a clear resistance and or support to be an ascending or descending triangle. Okay, so let's just kind of play this one accordingly. Notice the volume spike. That means a movement's coming, guys. So I'm actually anticipating a little bit of bullish favor here, a breaking of the resistance and a retest of some of these polar resistances up here. Okay, and then we can think about retesting reverse pressure. If the bullish sentiment is strong enough, the volume comes in the market in the right way, the stars line up, so to speak, guys. That's how trades are made. Watch for that volatility to come in the volume reading and cross the road so you guys can catch this in the process of it happening, guys. Okay, now it's really interesting. I kind of predicted the sweet spot to be right there, so just a little bit right here. Okay, but you can actually see the indication plays start to ride out. Okay, for instance, the riding of the wave ending, crashing the wave back down, and so begins another opportunity to buy. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments if you bought Electroneum within the last week, guys, because you're already sitting in some good profit. And for those of you looking to get in on this, you can get it over at KuCoin. Just an amazing, amazing exchange over there. Okay, working on a partnership with them as we speak. Again, amazing times. This coin will be much higher priced. For those of you got an ICO or even the news that was related after, around 20 cents, guys, you're holding. You are holding. That is as simple as that. We will see those prices again. Okay, it's just a matter of time now. Time is the most valuable commodity, especially in a new coin as it develops. Okay, guys, so I think 4 or 5 years it's been around. Give it another few years, guys. We're going to see some serious price points. And what's really cool about this coin is its coin economics. Very strong, very solid. I'm definitely going to be waiting around, and you guys know I'm riding a lot of free Electroneum at this point. All right. So watch for this pattern develop out and then play the resistance and the support, and then use wedge theory, for instance, measured from the back to the point of breakout. And you'll notice, guys, that will line up almost exactly where a polar resistance is, and same with the downside, guys. So just keep an eye on that. That's how it's going to be played right there. All right, now let's talk about mana. Now mana's a very interesting project, and I've been very excited about this one. We had a massive pump up all the way to about 4 cents, or $4, excuse me, guys. Just amazing times. Barbell theory playing out right before our eyes here. Okay, so for instance, in this moment here, you've got the widening, the tightening, the widening again, and we're getting that same thing happening again right here. Okay, so watch as we widen, tighten, and then we'll get a widen probably right around here, and that will be around anywhere between the 18th and 22nd. We're going to get another big move. Now guys, how I want you to play this in simplicity is use wedge theory. Okay, get as many chains together as you can. For instance, start just like this. Okay, play the wicks, and then watch for something to form out, guys. Okay, a couple students mentioned to me this could be a head and shoulders as well, guys. Of course, notice that static support. For instance, we got the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, dirty but doable. Okay, guys, we could get a breakdown retesting support. Notice the EMA is lining up. Okay, if we break down, play to EMA. Okay, use target projection obviously, but play to EMA, and then watch for the volume to creep into the market, especially if it's opposing, to know when to close that trade simply, guys. Okay, other than that, watch the major resistance and the shoulder. Okay, so for instance, we break right here, we break right here, you put in a nice little long, guys. Easy, easy money all day. And guys, to be honest, I mean, my gosh, I'm going to go back in time for a minute and just go to the daily so you guys can see my cash out points and where I've been at here. Let me turn off these Bollinger Bands so you guys can see a little better. And guys, we go all the way back in time here. I remember buying in right here at around 6 cents, sitting over $3 now. This was my first cash out right here. Here's my second. Oh no, right here. This was my first right here. And then my second was actually right up here. So like right around, what was it, 3.3? It was right here exactly. Okay, guys, so I'm blown away with this. And the reason I knew to take profits there, guys, is think the Bollinger Bands. Look at that overbought territory there, guys. Just an opportune time to nip some profits. Watch the retracement happen right before your eyes. Buy the coin, maybe not cheaper price, but get more coin for your buck. And guys, that's what we do. You extrapolate your cryptocurrency. It's not about cash. Cash is dirty money. It's not worth anything. It's worth less than nothing. And as time goes on, you will see that it is worth less than nothing. Get yourself involved in currencies that are actually going to develop and yield you guys some amazing profits. Remember, the way the world works is not meant for us to make it. Okay, we have to do what we have to do to make extra money so that the big companies don't continuously just line their pockets while we settle for less. And guys, man is going to have some much higher times. For instance, we get back up on the bump trend all the way up here, and we're easily breaking $5, $6. I know I'm going to be around for that. Will you? And guys, that's all the time I have for today. If you're not making the gains you deserve, head right over to the student program and get signed up. We actually had a big wave of sign-ups over the last week. And guys, congratulations. It's like that. You've discovered financial freedom. The hardest part in this program is reaching out to make it a reality for yourself. But guys, once the knowledge is accrued and you can spend the time on the charts, you will succeed just like everyone else. I'm so confident for a reason, guys. All you guys are really doing is replicating what I do. So when you join, it's an expedited process over my 10 to 15 years of learning, combined into a course which you guys could actually complete in under 6 months to a year and achieve some life-changing knowledge and gains. Bring it to any platform, any exchange. Make the money a reality for yourself, guys. I cannot express it enough. If you do not come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.